If you're looking for a cable that will show you if it's charging this, then you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got an iPhone. Uses a lightning cable connector on the bottom there, and I saw this cable here, this cord right here, and I thought, man, this thing looks like it's the business because it will charge your iPhone or other iOS devices until they go to USB-C or Thunderbolt, but it will also show you that it's charging with this humping dog right here. So what you can see is we've got a dog. There are a few different versions of this. So you don't have to just get this spotted black and white dog. It looks like Snoopy. And as you can see there, it has a lightning connector on the end. And so what I think this will do is it will charge my phone and it will show me that it's charging by giving me that good hip thrust. Yeah, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Let's try it out. All right, so I've got it plugged in here, the little doggy. Let's see if you'll do your trick. This is just an old iPhone, but I'm kind of curious if it will work here. And I'm just going to plug it in. Oh, look at that! Not only is it charging my iPhone, but it is going and doing its thing on the iPhone as well. So, I tell you what, if you are looking for a great way to make sure and confirm that your iPhone is being charged, you really need this. In fact, if I put it down, yeah, look at that. The table doesn't interfere with it. Still keeps going. Oh man. Yeah, somehow I relate to this guy. If you want to pick up this charging cable for your iPhone, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.